We have some very interesting news for Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrency regulation. We're also going to be talking about when the top of the crypto market is going to be, which will potentially be in a couple of months. Should you be selling at that point? We're also going to be talking about this new coin that is going to be pumped up a lot, Floki Inu. So make sure you all watch the entire video. You cannot miss what we have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrency where we call out big plays before they happen. And if you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, you want to talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio, teach you technical analysis and much more. Join my Patreon for only $10 a month. And don't forget, I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. So we're going to get started right now, but if you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, you're still bullish, make sure you smash up the like button and let's go. So the New York Attorney General shuts down crypto exchange on accusations of unlawfully converting user funds to Dogecoin. I was kind of baffled when I read that title, but as we go into the article, it is pretty funny. So it says, according to the report, the New York Attorney General, Letitia James, ordered crypto exchange CoinSeed to close down operation and pay $3 million in fines. But why? Amongst a series of other charges, CoinSeed had reportedly been converting its customers' funds into Dogecoin without their consent. What do you all think about this in the comments below? Were they bullish on Dogecoin? You know, what were they thinking here? President Biden announces picks to fill the CFTC. So the CFTC is the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. So basically what this is, it's people that are going to be monitoring futures, and this does affect cryptocurrencies to a degree. So the people that he's filled in this position are people that want to examine further cryptocurrencies. The person that he filled says that she's been hinting to establishing greater governmental oversight of cryptocurrency platforms. So a lot of us retail investors, a lot of people, we think that regulation is going to be bad for cryptocurrencies. That regulation is going to affect cryptocurrencies to a major degree where they're not going to be able to thrive. But that is just not true. It sounds like it would. Naturally, I feel like it would too. And of course, who wants the government controlling cryptocurrencies? But they can only control them and affect them to a certain degree. What a lot of experts are saying, people that are experts in economy and finance, what they're saying is that regulation for cryptocurrencies is going to pave the way for the future of cryptocurrencies, to allow them to stay, to allow them to flourish, and to allow them to grow. Because if there is regulation, it's going to allow big institutions, it's going to allow a lot of money, big and smart money, to get into cryptocurrencies now that it's regulated and to a degree controlled by the government. The main thing that they are trying to regulate, control, is people avoiding tax cuts and tax breaks. There's particular ways to do this, which I'm not an expert on by any means. But there are people that try to do illegal things with cryptocurrencies. It's not a very big portion of people, by avoiding taxes and doing a bunch of things with cryptocurrencies. And all they want to do is just prevent that from happening. And if cryptocurrency is becoming a protected asset within crypto exchanges that are more recognized and established, in the United States, it'll allow potentially your funds, if they were to get stolen, that they would be covered through insurances that the government could provide to people that would be investing in cryptocurrencies that are regulated by the US government. So I personally think that this is going to pave the way for crypto ETFs. It's going to pave the way for the future of cryptos in this country. Now, let me know what you all think about that in the comments below. Do you agree? Do you disagree? What are your thoughts on that? If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin, Cardano, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell or send to your bank account. And check this out. Google getting more involved in cryptocurrencies, partners with the NFT leader Dapper Labs to support Flow blockchain. The search engine giant becomes the latest company to support blockchain development and the emerging areas of NFT and gaming. So NFTs and gaming is the way of the future, and it's also a part of cryptocurrencies, which is really cool. The future of NFTs, like you buy some of these NFTs, like we have DOGEX that I have some of those. Doge Pound. There's a bunch of really cool popular cryptocurrencies. And a lot of these developers who are developing these NFT projects, who develop these NFT projects, they're working on metaverses where you can use your NFTs as live characters in video games and stories and areas where you can hang out with people of the same community of your NFT. That's kind of like why NFTs are so big, not just because they're a cool picture, but because there's a huge community behind most of the really good NFTs. So Google sees this future. Google sees the future of NFTs, how they are going crazy. They're absolutely going parabolic, and they want to get their hands in it because this is going to be the future. This is going to be the next big thing, but it's also with cryptocurrencies. NFTs cannot thrive without cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies are going to be able to thrive in addition even further and faster because of all the innovations and the technologies and the monies flowing into NFTs. Ethereum is able to burn so many Ethereum each and every single day because of the usage of the network, because of NFTs. That's why the gas fees are high, because so many people are using NFTs and doing all these NFT games on Ethereum, which is causing Ethereum to be almost hyper deflationary. We're going to be talking about the top of the crypto market, when I think the top of the crypto market is going to be in just a second. But before we do so, you guys should definitely check out this Floki Inu coin. So we had Elon Musk came out the other day showing off his new dog, Floki Inu. And a couple of months back, these people created a coin called Floki Inu because of Elon Musk's dog. And they knew that when Elon Musk's dog was going to come out, the crypto would go crazy. So we have seen that. In just the last couple of days, ever since Elon Musk's tweet, we've seen this crypto absolutely go parabolic, seeing some crazy moves. And I think potentially because of this coin and how it's linked to Elon Musk's dog, that this coin is going to see a lot of upside as Elon Musk begins to tweet and show off the life of his dog. And the life of his dog is not just going to be a thing that's going to happen for a couple of months. Elon Musk is going to be taking pictures, sharing the life of his dog for many years to come. So I think Floki Inu, which is the official coin that is backed basically behind Elon Musk's dog, that is going to benefit off of Elon Musk's dog and the hype around it. It's just pure hype. And I think that this hype is actually going to be able to be sustained for quite some period of time, especially as Dogecoin grows and cryptocurrencies continue to grow. I think that this is going to be able to sustain itself, not just be a pump and dump. And I was looking further into this coin that actually has some utility use. So some of the utility uses is they have a couple of partnerships. So one of the things that I look for if I'm going to be buying, a pump and dump coin or a hype coin, similar to this, is some of the utility, who's behind it, the community, things like that can definitely help us to determine if this is a good investment. And remember, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion. So one of the utility partnerships they have is they have like a partnership with CurateX and then CryptoCart, which allows you to actually use Floki to purchase things on stores like Amazon, PlayStation, eBay. I think this is really cool. In addition, they partnered with Elon Musk's brother's company called Million Gardens. I think that's pretty interesting. So just based on the hype of Elon Musk's dog and the future potential tweets about Floki, I think that this coin is going to be definitely pumped to a certain degree. I'm not going to be putting all of my money in it, but I'm definitely going to try to see if I can make some profits. But I think that this type of hype coin could probably have some longevity to it, unlike some of the pump and dump coins that we have seen in the past. But let's get into the good stuff. So here we have Plan B. He's an expert in technical analysis on-chain data for cryptocurrencies, and he's created one of the most accurate paths for Bitcoin in history. It's called the stock to flow model, which basically predicts the tops and the bottoms of each crypto cycle, and which has been able to do so in the past up until now for many, many years. So what we are seeing right now is we are this red line. We are this red line here, and he says that the top is going to be somewhere near the yellow. So once we start getting into the yellow, we're going to be looking at 100 and above, way above 100,000. This line right here where we see this green line, that is going to be $100,000 mark, which could potentially mean we might top out around 150,000 for Bitcoin, more or less. And most likely these tops are going to end up happening sometime maybe January, February, March, somewhere in that time period. It's going to be definitely a good time to be taking profits in our cryptos. And if we do get a bear market where we see a major crash or a decent drop or a correction, which may or may not be possible, We wait it out. We let us find the bottom through technical analysis and a bunch of indicators, see what's going on, and then we buy that dip. And that's how we're able to continue to make a lot of money in crypto. Not just riding up one wave and getting out, but riding up the wave, selling at the top if we can or close to it, letting the correction happen, letting the crash happen, letting things kind of settle. We buy the bottom, and then you just make almost double or triple even in that time period from just buying the bottom. So let's do some technical analysis. Let's see where we are headed. So on the 30-minute time frame, ever since we bottomed out yesterday for Ethereum, we are headed up. We are looking very bullish. For Bitcoin, look at this. Bitcoin even more bullish than Ethereum, heading up. So we're having a lot of that market share flow directly into Bitcoin. That's why we're not seeing a lot of altcoins pump a lot. It's because most of the money is flowing into Bitcoin, which means the big whales and institutions are jumping heavily into Bitcoin. And if we take a look at Dogecoin from the bottom, we are definitely heading up, but we are slowly heading up, so nothing crazy. But I'm definitely going to be expecting that we should be getting into the 30-cent range here soon. I would definitely expect us to be in the 30-cent range at least towards the end of the month, and somewhere towards the end of the month, the beginning of October is when the bull run is most likely going to start happening like crazy. So right now, while things are boring, while things are trading sideways, this is the opportunity for us to get in, to buy the dip, to hold dollar cost average, and ride this next wave that's going to be coming here very soon. If you got something out of the video, make sure you blow up the comment section, share this video with some of your friends and family, hit that like button for me, and I will see you all tomorrow. Stay encouraged.